Quantum computing has two languages: discrete qubits that flip between 0 and 1, and continuous qmodes that oscillate like waves. These approaches each excel at different tasks, but combining them has been a software nightmare. Until now. The promise of hybrid systems, combining qubits for computation with qmodes for error correction and sensing, has been trapped behind incompatible software tools. Researchers faced a choice: build everything from scratch or accept the limitations of frameworks designed for only one quantum variable type. Hybridlane eliminates this divide with a unified development kit. The toolkit introduces automatic wire-type inference that validates your circuit before execution, catching type mismatches that would crash at runtime. Its gate library speaks both quantum languages fluently, and it compiles to multiple hardware platforms, from simulated bosonic systems to real trapped ion devices. Here we see Hybridlane orchestrating quantum phase estimation on a dispersive Hamiltonian, a problem that naturally demands both qubit readout and qmode dynamics. The framework handles the type mixing transparently. Qmodes encode the phase information while qubits extract the measurement result. This single unified circuit would require switching between multiple frameworks in traditional workflows. The authors validated Hybridlane through ion trap calibration, mapping oscillator phase space into qubit rotations with real hardware. But they're transparent about the roadmap. Gradient-based optimization and richer simulation capabilities are coming, not here yet. The foundation is solid, the ecosystem is growing. Hybridlane doesn't just connect two quantum paradigms, it erases the boundary between them, turning hybrid quantum computing from a tooling puzzle into an engineering reality. Visit emergentmind.com to explore this paper further and create your own research video.